Okay, so today we're going to talk about the contact card. On the left side, we have all the information that you need to be able to maintain a really good relationship with that person. At the top, we're going to have some standardized tagging, and then you're going to be able to customize some new tags to do whatever you need to do to be able to identify who it is that you're talking to. You'll have everything from source, last contacted, what the status of that contact is. You're gonna be able to see who the owner is of that contact, any phone numbers they may have. You'll have primary. You'll be able to put also additional phone numbers there, email addresses. We also have an about section where you put the consumer's address. Maybe you put their birthday there. And whoever they're in relationship with, you can have right here. So for example, Dennis Mendoza here, their spouse is Deborah, and they're gonna be directly connected within the CRM. It's gonna help tremendously with some of your marketing campaigns. Then we have just kind of some background info about Dennis, what's happening there. The social media connection. Some work information is going to be there also. And then lastly, we have important dates. At the same time, we are also going to give you the ability to put any custom fields that you want to put in here if the standard fields don't necessarily work for everything that you track in your business for that specific client. On this right side, I'm really excited about, we have something that we're calling timeline. Timeline is the history of interaction that you've had with that person, along with any notes or smart plans that may be kicking off or have kicked off in the past. Those are all going to live right here, and any notes you have around those specific interactions. And so I said the history, but at the same time, you're going to be able to see the future. So if there's any future smart plans that are being activated, those are going to show up there too. So you always know what's happening. You can filter these any which way you want up top. So you can filter by time period, or you can filter by activity type and what's happening. And then at the same time, view your relationship with this person in a calendar. You can also add an activity here if you want to do that. The second tab on the right side, you can have every deal or opportunity that you have had with this person can live right here with this contact. So if you have a contact, your best client has had 100 deals with you in the past, they will all live right here. No matter if they closed or didn't close, you're gonna be able to see that history right here for you. And you can quickly click into those if you need to. And again, there's still that ability to filter or add a deal or opportunity directly from here. The third tab over here is Smart Plans. Smart Plans are the way that you're gonna automatically create some interactions with this contact. So your 33 touch, your 8x8s, they're all gonna live right here that you have assigned to this contact. We really envision this being where the tech-enabled agent is going to win and going to create technology that's going to automate the functionary part of their business, is because through these smart plans and having more and more smart plans connected to a contact, you can build better relationships with them and focus on those conversations and having a deep relationship. You can also add a smart plan directly from here. We have referral status up here. That's where you can, if this was a referral coming in, you can manage that referral directly from this system. And then lastly, we have notes. Notes are the single place where any notes that you've had for this contact can live, right here in notes. You can edit them, trash them, whatever you need to do. They're gonna be right there. Quickly too, there's also this big plus button down here, which is your ability to quickly add things to the contact, whether it's an opportunity, it's a login interaction, add them to a smart plan, etc. That's gonna live right there for you. Up here on the top, you'll see a bunch of faces. This is gonna show you who all on your team or within your organization or even outside of your organization has access to this contact and is able to interact with it. One of my absolute favorite features about what we're building into contact management is the ability to go back and see the revision history for a contact and be able to revert back to a previous state. That is our contact management. It's got everything that all the best CRMs have out there. We've compared this against the best of the best. And we have designed this in mind to help you build really deep relationships with your contact database.